How to get up to $100 oil change coupons. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. At the very top, you'll see the search box. There type in oil change coupons and search for it. The that different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working coupons for oil change. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer. Just scroll and check. $100 off, $120 off, $80 off, and many more. Hit towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Click on the option of send to me. Now here you have to choose the option of send by text or email if you want to get the code in your text or through email. I'm going to select the option of send my email. Now you have to type in your email or phone number. Type in the email or phone number according to the option that you have chosen and then click on send offer now. With that, you will be receiving the offer through the text or your email. Just go and check. I'm going to check my mail. Here you can see that it has sent me the mail. You'll also receive similar mail. Open the mail. Now go ahead and click on the option set your appointment and you can grab the offer. Well, this way you can easily get up to $100 oil change coupons. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.